Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Be Your Best Beautiful. It's 26th of January 2021. So happy Republic Day. So today I have a very special video for you guys. So the door got open. Yeah. So currently I'm in the lift and I am going to IKEA. Now IKEA is one of the largest home decor and there are a lot more stuff. So I am very excited to go to IKEA. So it is kind of an international brand which have really affordable and really good variety of home decor products, plus they have furnitures and all that stuff. So I am going to take you guys along with me. So recently there's been an IKEA showroom that has opened up in Navi Mumbai. I'm going to their Navi Mumbai IKEA center. Look how huge it is. We are still in the car. We are waiting for parking and there's a huge line. Pretty huge it is. Hi guys, we have almost reached IKEA. So this is their parking area. So there's an ample space for parking as you guys can see, and it's almost 12. So we are just going inside. Yes, so excited to visit IKEA. This is the entrance. That's the huge line. God. So IKEA is ideally known for its durable and super affordable furnitures. So it has furnitures of all sizes and shape, and as soon as we entered IKEA, the first thing we saw is lots of sofas, then living room decor. If you can see right here, there is a complete living room decor which they have made. Now such decors I've also seen in home centers, and but IKEA gave it a completely new look. And they have different sections for TV units, they have different sections for sofas, for just chairs, just for tables, and so much more. So overall, and the one thing I liked about IKEA is variety. So they have variety in different finishes. If you want wooden finishes and if you want normal acrylic finishes, they have everything in store. So I think that is the most amazing thing I liked about IKEA. But unfortunately my home is completely set up, so I couldn't buy any furnitures. But then going forward, I'll definitely buy something from IKEA, like in furnitures. So yes, so this is the dining table. So they have amazing dining tables, not very bulky, but really, because Mumbai has all compact homes, considering that into mind, IKEA has done a great job. The kitchen section was also so good. This was the complete wooden kitchen section which I saw, and I completely fell in love with it. So everything was top notch. And since it was a holiday, especially a public holiday, it was so crowded, guys. If you can see, even if it's corona, it's so crowded, and everybody was sitting in every place, and you can't really help it. Yeah, I really liked one mirror, but that was out of stock, so I couldn't buy it. So basically, whatever here they have placed, you cannot pick up this item. You will have to go to the godown store and then tell them the ID, and then you can buy from it. But unfortunately, the mirror which was right here, it was not in stock, and I couldn't take it out from here because this is just for people to see, people to check how things look. So yeah. The kids' bedrooms section was also super good. Everything was really, really good. So if you can see, there are small chairs, small tables for kids, and all kinds of chairs. So kids were going completely crazy about it. Yeah. This is the section where I shopped a lot because it had lots of small cute stuff. So I bought few things, and you will have to wait and watch till I upload my IKEA haul video. So this is just the vlog video which I am going to upload now, and I have already shot the haul video, and it will be up super soon. This was the light section, and it had lamps, all sorts of lamps in all sorts of price ranges, and so classy, so beautiful. If you guys can see, I absolutely loved it. Frankly speaking, I have shot just half of the IKEA because in 3 hours we really couldn't spend much time in each section, and I did not get time to shoot in each and every sections. So this is just half of the IKEA, you guys. It's so huge, and it's so, as in, I think it will take a day to roam and to check out each and every product. Yeah. So these corner was for mattresses, for pillows. They also had curtains and all nice stuff. So this section is kind of a go down section, and I think over here you just need to talk to someone. You have seen products in the earlier sections, and from this sections you can buy. So there were some sections where you could directly take the products and add in your cart, but there are some huge products which were not directly available in bulk. So you have to come here, talk to the crew of IKEA, and then they will help you out with that. So this was the complete go down section. If you guys can see, it was very huge, and I don't know how they reach up there. They might have a ladder or something, but बहुत ही बड़ा और बहुत. Hi guys, finally we returned home. So we were in IKEA for almost 3.5 hours. So it's been quite some time. We returned home, we had our lunch, and to tell about IKEA, it's a hell of an experience. It is such a huge huge store, guys. You got to see it at least once. And they have so many products. So some products I found some of the products very affordable. There were some products which were a bit on expensive side, so obviously I did not get them. But there are some products which I really liked, but it was stocked out, because the ones which are at display with the furniture, you are not supposed to take that product. So they have an entire store wherein you can check the products online inside the store itself. Yeah, so they have these computers everywhere wherein you can easily check the products and see if they have in stock. So there were some products which were not in stock, and I bought some products and I'm going to share it with you. So stay tuned, because I am also going to do a IKEA haul for you guys.